Hello everyone, welcome to Programming Cradle. Today in this video I would like to discuss about a mistake which most people make during their masters, and I have already made a short video on this, but I wanted to elaborate a bit in this video, so that's why I'm making a dedicated video for this. And it is actually very important, and even in a lot of live streams people have asked what is it something that we should not do during our masters, and things we should do. So yeah, we will be discussing about things which you should not do in this video, and I think I have also made a video about things which I did good, things which I did bad. So I have shared my experience as for my masters. So you can check out that video if you want. And if you're new here, subscribe to the channel, please go subscribe to the channel and be a part of Programming Cradle family. And also hit that bell icon so that you get notified each time when a video goes live. And if you end up liking this video, please give it a thumbs up. It keeps me motivated to make such videos for you guys. And if you want to have one-to-one conversation with me, you can join channel membership and you can schedule a meeting with me. So yeah, with that being said, let's start a discussion. So the thing is, I've seen most people, as soon as they come here in the UK, they start to look for part-time job. But the thing is, there are two major factors actually. The masters in the UK is just for 1 year, so you'll have to cover lot of things, lot of concepts in just 1 year. So it's actually very fast paced. And the next thing is, things are very different here. The education system is very different here in the UK as compared to what it is in India. I will make a dedicated video about what exactly are the differences in education in India and education here in the UK, so that you will get a good idea and you will be able to prepare mentally and probably technically as well, so that you will know what to expect and you will be well prepared. So yeah, I'll make a video probably after this video. And yeah, so these are the two things which affects quite a lot of people. And when people come here, they just start to look for part-time jobs, and when they start making a bit money, they feel like they should do it more and they should keep doing it because they are earning. But what they don't realize is they are affecting their masters. They have seen people, they don't finish their assignments on time, so they will have to take extensions or they have to carry forward the assignments from previous module to the next module. And that's when the things get piled up and it becomes really hard to cope up with everything. And sometimes I've seen people flunking and then they have to retake the exam, which affects their marks by quite a lot. And here obviously most of the companies don't really ask too much about your marks, but if they have to do some tiebreaker, let's say there are two candidates, they have similar skill sets, but they're not sure which one to interview, they will probably go with the one who has more marks. So it's always good to have marks at least 70%, if not 70, at least 65%. So that is what you should target for. And doing part-time job is not bad. You should do it because you meet a lot of people, you learn about different cultures, you earn money so you can support yourself financially, so it's a good thing. And but then at the cost of your masters, no, it's not good. So your first priority should be your masters. So now the question is, when you should actually start looking for part-time jobs. So the ideal time which I can suggest you is once you finish your first semester. So your first semester, it will end around December if you are coming for September intake. And when in that time you will be able to figure out whether the course is comfortable for you or not, whether you are able to cope up with it. So if you have some background in data science, if you already have technical skills, if you have learned something prior to your masters, I think it should be fine for you. It should not be that hard. But if you are someone who is very new to data science and are still learning about things and still getting used to all the technicalities of data science, then I think it can become a little bit hectic, because as I told you, the masters is just for 1 year, so you'll have to cover a lot of concepts in very short period of time. So considering that, in first semester you will be able to understand everything and you will be in a good position to pace your learning and how to manage your assignments along with your part-time job. You will be in a very good position by the end of December or first semester. So that's where you should start looking for part-time jobs or internship. And also you get breaks after your semesters. So after first semester you get a month or so, so you can actually work full-time in that, and you can probably earn money, and then you can save that money so that you can use it in your next semester, and then after your second semester, before your dissertation starts, you again get around 1 month break, so you can again do full-time job in that period as well, so that you are not lacking on your financial or economical aspect as well, and also you are not hampering your masters. So this is what I want to discuss in this video, and that's how you should actually proceed, and you should not make this mistake. So I hope this video gave you some insight and what you should not do, because this can make or break your masters. So yeah, you should keep this thing in mind. If you want to download data science notes, link is in the description. You can download data science notes. You can also join our Telegram group, where we have a lot of good people discussing about a lot of different things. And yeah, so subscribe, share, like, comment, all those good things. So hope to see you in the next video. Bye. Happy learning.